liners used in grain handling applications have become the industry standard. Argonics' line of quality products sets the bar for reliability and cost effectiveness. Unlike our competitors, it's the philosophy at Argonics to promote only ether-based polyurethane liners for grain applications, not only for exceptional wear resistance, but because our grain liners resist hydrolysis. What is hydrolysis? Hydrolysis is the chemical dissolution of ester-based polyurethane resulting from exposure to water, humidity, and elevated temperatures. The high heat and humidity levels common in the grain-producing regions of North America should be an important consideration when choosing your next urethane liner. The effects of hydrolysis on ester-based sheets results in premature wear, crumbling, and if not addressed, damaging wear to expensive metal components. Here's an example of ester-based urethane exhibiting the effects of hydrolysis. You can see the physical properties needed to provide necessary wear protection have been severely compromised. At Argonics, it is our philosophy to provide the best possible solution for every engineering challenge. This is why we offer two great ether-based hydrolysis-resistant urethane options in both our Cryptane Extreme Premium liners and our Blue Ox Economy liners. If you're looking to get the most life out of your equipment with the least amount of downtime, look no further than the performance-proven solutions offered by Argonics.